Welcome back to the Big Sweep. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing your bathroom and wish there was an easier way, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll share 10 brilliant bathroom cleaning hacks that will save you time and effort. And don't forget, if you stick around till the end, we have a fantastic bonus hack for you. So, let's dive right in. Hack number 1. The power of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning powerhouse. It's non-toxic, eco-friendly, and incredibly effective. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and use it to clean your bathroom surfaces. Its acidic properties cut through grime and soap scum effortlessly, leaving your bathroom sparkling clean and smelling fresh. Vinegar has been used for centuries as a cleaning agent due to its disinfecting and deodorizing properties. It's a safe alternative to chemical cleaners, making it ideal for homes with children and pets. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil to the vinegar solution for a pleasant fragrance. Hack number 2. Lemon magic. Lemons are not just great for cooking but also for cleaning. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle some baking soda on the cut side. Use it to scrub faucets and fixtures. The citric acid helps break down mineral deposits, and the baking soda adds an extra boost of cleaning power. Plus, your bathroom will have a delightful, natural citrus scent. Hack number 3. Toilet fizz bombs. Say goodbye to harsh chemical cleaners. Mix baking soda, citric acid, and a few drops of essential oil. Shape the mixture into small balls and let them dry. Drop one into your toilet, and it will fizz away stains and odors while you relax. This DIY cleaner is safe and effective, making your toilet shine without harming the environment. Toilet fizz bombs are fun to use and also efficient in cleaning and deodorizing your toilet bowl. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that removes grime, while citric acid provides a gentle effervescence that breaks down stains and disinfects. You can use the essential oil of your choice, whether it's refreshing peppermint or calming eucalyptus. Hack number 4. Steam clean mirrors. Steam is an eco-friendly and efficient method for cutting through dirt and grime on mirrors. Hold a handheld steamer a few inches away from the mirror's surface and wipe away the residue with a microfiber cloth. Your mirrors will look spotless without using any chemicals. Steam cleaning is not only safe for mirrors but also for various bathroom surfaces, such as tiles, glass, and countertops. It helps to eliminate bacteria and allergens while ensuring a streak-free shine. Invest in a good quality handheld steamer, and you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. Hack number 5. Magic erasers. These little wonders can be a game changer for bathroom cleaning. They are perfect for removing stubborn marks and scuffs from tiles, bathtubs, and even grout. Keep a few of these in your cleaning arsenal for quick touch-ups. They work like magic without the need for harsh chemicals. Magic erasers are made of melamine foam, which acts as a powerful abrasive to lift stains and marks from surfaces. It's essential to test the eraser on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't damage delicate surfaces. These versatile cleaning tools are a must-have for any bathroom cleaning routine. Hang out with us to the end for an exciting bonus hack. You'll be glad you did. Hack number 6. Showerhead soak. Is your showerhead clogged with mineral deposits? Fill a plastic bag with white vinegar and tie it around the showerhead. Let it soak overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a perfectly functioning and clean showerhead. This hack is not only effective but also saves you from buying expensive cleaning products. Over time, mineral deposits from hard water can clog your showerhead, resulting in reduced water pressure. This vinegar soak effectively dissolves those deposits, allowing water to flow freely again. It's a simple yet effective hack that saves you money and prevents unnecessary waste. Hack number 7. Toothbrush holder trick. Cleaning toothbrush holders can be tricky due to their narrow openings and tight spaces. Try using an old toothbrush dipped in soapy water to reach all the nooks and crannies. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your toothbrushes clean and your holder grime-free, promoting a healthier bathroom environment. Regular cleaning of toothbrush holders is essential to prevent the buildup of germs and bacteria. The toothbrush holder trick ensures that your toothbrushes stay clean and hygienic, helping to maintain good oral health for you and your family. Hack number 8. Hairdryer Dust Buster. If you're tired of dust bunnies in hard-to-reach places, use your hairdryer. Set it to cool and blow away the dust from vents, baseboards, and corners. This hack is quick, efficient, and oddly satisfying. It also prevents dust from spreading around, making your bathroom cleaning routine more effective. Dust accumulation in the bathroom can trigger allergies and asthma. The hairdryer dust buster is a simple yet effective way to tackle those tricky areas where dust tends to accumulate. Just remember to clean your hairdryer's filter regularly to avoid blowing dust back into the air. Hack number 9. Gleaming faucets with baby oil. Achieve a brilliant shine on your bathroom faucets by applying a small amount of baby oil on a soft cloth and buffing them. The oil repels water and helps prevent future watermarks. This hack is especially useful for keeping your faucets looking new and reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Baby oil acts as a protective barrier against water spots and fingerprints, keeping your faucets looking shiny for longer. This hack is perfect for faucets made of stainless steel, chrome, or other metal finishes. It's an effortless way to add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. Hack number 10. Tile and grout renewal. Over time, tile and grout can become discolored and grimy. To restore their former glory, create a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply it to the grout lines, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a brush. Your tiles will look like new again. This hack not only refreshes your bathroom's appearance but also saves you money on expensive tile cleaners. Tile and grout renewal is a cost-effective alternative to hiring professionals for regrouting. Baking soda's gentle abrasive properties combined with hydrogen peroxide's whitening effects make for a potent DIY grout cleaner. Remember to seal your grout once it's clean to prevent future staining and discoloration. Congratulations for sticking around till the end. As a bonus hack, we have the ultimate shower screen secret. To prevent soap scum buildup on your shower screen, apply a thin layer of car wax and buff it off with a microfiber cloth. The water will bead up and slide right off, keeping your screen cleaner for longer. This simple trick ensures a more manageable cleaning routine and a sparkling shower screen. A car wax layer on your shower screen creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels soap scum and water, making it easier to wipe away the residue. This hack also reduces the frequency of deep cleaning and helps maintain your shower screen's transparency, enhancing your bathroom's overall appeal. That's a wrap on our 10 brilliant bathroom cleaning hacks, plus the bonus hack. We hope these tips make your cleaning routine a breeze. If you enjoyed the video and want more helpful content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Big Sweep. Also, type "Happy Sweeping" in the comments below so we know you want to keep seeing videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy sweeping!